How to add weapon wraps in Fortnite. So I'm just gonna go to the rank Fortnite OG right here first. Now once I'm here, you go to your locker. Once you're on your locker, you simply need to scroll down. So once you're here, just scroll down till you see the wraps section. So as you can see, I have an option to select my wraps right here. So I think this one's pretty good. And of course, you could also select for your assault rifle if you want. And for the shotgun, you simply need to click on the arrow key right here. So this is good. For the SMG, I'm gonna select this one. For the sniper, this one. And for the pistol, maybe this one. And here is for the other weapons. I'm just gonna select this one also. So if you have a ton, you could also randomize it. So randomly choose between favorite wraps or all owned wraps if nothing is marked as favorite. You could also do that if you want, but for me, I won't do that. And if you hover to that particular setting, you will see what wrap it is. So assault rifle, shotgun, SMG, sniper, and etc. And that's basically it.